So most of you are having confusion regarding the confirmation email. You order the swags. Most of you have got the confirmation email. Some doubts, some clarification you need in this video, we'll talk about it. First of all, let me show you how the confirmation email looks like. So if you've ordered any tire from basically from Ranger till Legend, you can see you'll be getting an email from the White Square International. Here it will contain all the details including the order ID and the shipping details. Okay. Here all the shipping details are there. Okay. Now here your phone number, all the details will be mentioned over here and email too. You can cross verify all the details and you can see whatever swags you have ordered are listed over here. If you want, you can track directly or you can reach out to the support team in case you have any query like you made any mistake in the address, you missed some items, you added incorrect hoodie size. Similarly for printers also we have this kind of output. Okay, means the confirmation email. Now most of you guys are asking that I have not received the confirmation email. Okay, I have not received the confirmation email. So how I can verify that I have got the swags? You have received the price email, right? From there only you place the order. You have to simply click on the same URL. Okay, click on the same URL. You'll see you'll get all the details like your address, mobile number, all the details, and at the top it will show order confirmed. Okay, order confirmed, or your address will be shown over there and an order ID will be generated. So do not panic at all. Your orders are safe and safely placed if you have entered all the details carefully and updated it. See, in simple words, if you have placed the order, your orders are saved even though if you get confirmation email or not. Coming to the next topic, that most of you are saying that here it's showing you can expect your swags within a week. So does it work like that? So the answer is no. It will take around 3 to 4 months. Okay, it will take around 3 to 4 months. So you need to wait for it. It's temporary. Do not get overexcited. I wanted to share this important information. So I shared in simple words, confirmation email does not matter if you have ordered. Just click on the link directly. You'll get the swag details. So this was the quick update for how to claim the prizes. Just check the description box. I've shared the entire playlist. Check it out. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great day.